Gotten some snow here in Wisconsin today. It rained Saturday. This is packing snow. So step over here. That's how much snow you got, about that. And it's still snowing right now. So the roads are bad and slippery. So this here was not having a four-wheel drive vehicle. Don't really help much. But yeah. It's really bad. I mean, well, I'll tell you, it is really bad out there with the snow. So, I just went to see DVR. They're supposed to help me get a different job. I was just being honest with them that, they said, could you do anything other than retail? I said, probably not. With some of the medical things that came up that I need to have checked, unfortunately, I have to have that checked, you know. But with the snow, I mean, I think here in Wisconsin, as of, I think, Saturday or yesterday, which was Sunday, today's Monday, when you see this video, obviously it ain't gonna be Monday, but, they closed all the snowmobile trails in Wisconsin. Yeah, so, so I'm looking forward to when garage sale season starts back up, let alone estate sale season. You never know what you find. I mean, I went to an estate sale once and I found an old Preeny Way bank bag, literally, and it was for cheap enough. But the condition ain't good. It's like, yeah, you could easily resell that, make some money, but it's so hard to find anything that says Preeny Way on it, you know? And it's an old department store. But, yeah. With today, they got the plows out right now, but, ultimately, some of the goals right now my husband and I have is to hopefully we can get approved for a house loan and move out of the apartment. Quite frankly, if we are paying a mortgage, it would be cheaper than paying rent on an apartment. You know, in a house, you'd have more room. You could, like today, if we needed to get out, we just had to shovel or anything the driveway if we had a house. Some of the other goals is I'm trying to get my estate-eBay to be profitable so that way it truly does become my second job. Yeah, I'd be my own boss, but, you know, try to truly get into antique dealing, you know, and all that. But too, another thing like my husband had a point is we both need to exercise more and try losing some weight and cutting back on drinking the soda. You know, and another thing is it would be nice to get our debts down too, you know. So, because as an adult, it's like, you know, that's how that goes. So, yeah, I had thought about doing a thing with someone to get a stereoscope viewer, but then I was looking on eBay. She thinks they go for $50 to $60. No, it's just a scope viewer. They're going for what she's asking for it. I know there's no shipping and all, but you gotta figure how much it would cost to drive for the gas and Oya Sound. She only wants to meet at her house. And I wouldn't want to meet for an item at someone's house like that, not a little item. I could see maybe a vehicle, you know. Or if that vehicle is drivable and they had someone with them that drove with them, so that way if they sold that vehicle, you know, they have a way of getting back home, you know. So, I mean, that would be awesome. But then the other part that gets me when I'm hemming and hawing is, it's like, would you find one at an estate sale in the future or a garage sale in the future? It's like, yeah, you don't know. I mean, I seen a CVS basket at a rummage sale, but there was no markings on it saying that it was for sale or not, so I didn't want to bother asking, because the worst case scenario is they could say, no, it's not for sale, we're just using it to sell things out of it, you know. That's the catch, you know. Otherwise, yeah, I would have gotten that CVS basket, and there is a video where I show that basket on someone's yard sale, but there was no tag saying it was for sale or not, so that's why I didn't bother asking if it was for sale. So, yeah, this is the final snowstorm officially for 2019. In 2 days it'll be 2020. So,